Namaskar, good morning. Today I will tell about the aircraft accident of Deputy CM of Maharastra, Ajeet Pawer at Baramati. Ajeet Pawer went from Mumbai airport to Baramati, and when it reached Baramati, the pilots contacted the air traffic control of Baramati, then said sought the permission to land in Baramati. Baramati is a small airport. It is a tabletop runway. They did not see the 3,000-meter visibility. Then the pilots took away the plane. Again, they attempted and sought the permission of air traffic control. Air traffic control permitted them. Then, before touching the runway, the plane, the Learjet 45 plane, charter plane, drifted left and right. The eyewitness observer has said that we thought that plane will make accident, but at the same time, just at the threshold of the runway, it made the accident and plane broken, and fire came out of it. So the very precious life of the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, two very experienced pilots, and some persons were lost in that crash. Before that, we have lost very important VIPs like Rajesh Pilot, YSR Reddy, but there is no any report why this plane made this accident. There is a air accident investigation bureau, aeroplane accident investigation bureau, AAIB in India, but this is not doing its work properly. In the Ahmedabad crash, when we lost more than 300 passengers, there is only preliminary report, no final report. As per norm, any investigation of airplane accident will completed within 1 year, and it will submit its preliminary report within 1 month. In the Ahmedabad crash, it has submitted preliminary report within 1 month, but 3 years has passed, no final report has been given. This is a classic case of negligence. The father of the 90-year-old father of the Captain Sumit has filed a petition before the Honorable Supreme Court to investigate it properly, because they have given because they have given the responsibility to the pilots. Pilots is the responsible for accident. In this case, there is another thing. The whistleblower has said that the whistleblower has said that the VSR Venture, which is the company operates the charter plane, has bribed the DGCA during air safety investigation. This is the fate of India's flight journey. DGCA authorities have been bribed by the Learjet 45 company VSR Venture. If this will be the fate of air journey in India, what will be its future? We have not this VSR Venture, another plane, Learjet 45, made accident in Mumbai during the landing, but there is no final report. Then what is the wrong? We are always finding fault with the pilots. Both the pilots of this plane, Ajit Pawar's plane, were very much experienced, and they have a good experience in flying. So these type of giving responsibility to flight is pilots are very unfortunate incident, because when the plane just before landing it drifted left and right, then it touched the runway and drifted away from the runway. So this is definitely somewhere technical mistake. We should not find fault with the pilots. Another thing is that this these pilots have not given the mayday call, which is the last call before the accident. They have not given any mayday call to the air traffic control. So, on the first part, the whistleblower has said that DGCA employees have been bribed to obtain the safety certificate, airworthiness certificate. Secondly, our Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau is not inquiring properly, and it is not submitting the final report, because this company, another plane of this company has also met accident in the Mumbai in during landing in 2023, but their final report has not come till today. So there are so many questions and lacuna in this type of aircraft crash. So you must be conscious, and our DGCA and Aircraft Investigation Bureau must take the responsibility and ensure the safety of the passenger. Thank you.